All right, guys.
That 3/4 inch pipe.
Well, I was going to start in on telling you, but someone's talking, so. Hey guys, just give you an update on my ongoing project. I'm getting judged on my camera angles. Hold on a second. Can you see me better? Is the glare gone? Do I need to put the hat on?
It turned. There, that's better.
That's better? Alright, okay.
Kind of.
Kind of?
It still shows you.
That's fair. Well, I just wanted to go over everything I've done and give you guys an update. If you've seen our Instagram, our TikTok, I think that's really all I post to. I'm kind of a slacker. This is one of my 2 annual videos that I'm obligated to do. But you'll see that there's been little, just kind of here and there, trying to get everything in order. And it's hard building a motorcycle. Whoever told me it wasn't probably needs to reevaluate their life lessons.
I didn't think it was that bad.
Yeah, but I'm going to show you guys pretty much everything I've done to it. And yeah, it's probably all wrong, but it's my bike. Build your own. Well guys, towards the end of the day, and again, I'm going to show you what all I've accomplished on this thing. As you can see, turn signals are mounted, front headlights mounted. Ignore the jumbled mess wires there for now. Still working on that. But coils I got, you guys are building one, you might run into they didn't mount exactly right. So little piece of angle, a little bit of spit shining, and it looks all right. But the thing that killed me, guys, I had to do it. They told me I had to do it. I didn't want to do it. And it kind of, I think it took a piece out of me. I had to cut the fender. It looked so good after it was painted. I had to cut it for clearance. But hindsight, that was something that I should have taken care of earlier. But clutch and sprocket covers on, and it goes all the way up, and it is attached. And the sissy bar, as you can see, it is painted, partly wired correctly, but chains on, everything else is on. And look at those beautiful things poking out right there. They just look so good. But yeah, and I'm going to be trying to do an update video a little bit later of something else that I was working on, and that is my seat. I am undergoing making the seat myself, which we'll see how that goes. It looks ugly right now. I'm hoping it looks a little bit better by the time I'm done. No promises, but I figured I should really show you guys that, and I will keep you guys informed onto it and the list of material that I've used, which is not very long, but yeah. Anyway, just wanted to do an update video for you guys. I know it's been a while. I know you don't enjoy listening to me talk, but I do semi decent work. No comment from you on that one?
Nah, I'm good.
All right, well, that is pretty much my update, and I will keep you guys in the loop on everything else I'm doing with it.
I'm just glad he's filming a video.
Again, I have to film 2 videos a year per contract, and this is one of them. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. like and subscribe, and you're gonna hear him talk a lot more than you hear me talk. So, I mean, any closing words of wisdom?
Doesn't get done unless you work on it.
Ooh, man. All right. See you guys later.